In this video, I will show you how to block websites on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a number of ways you can actually block websites on Google Chrome. However, in my opinion, the best and fastest way to do this is by using an extension. So what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. And on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and hover over the extensions option. On the submenu, click onto visit Chrome Web Store. And what you can do is use the search box at the top, and in here you just want to type block site and then hit enter. Now, the one I would recommend using is this one here. It's the featured one and it's got this logo here. So give it a click and that's going to take you across to the extension page. And from here, you want to click the blue add to Chrome button. Then on the pop-up that comes up, click onto add extension and it's just going to go ahead and install that onto Google Chrome. Now, to actually go ahead and use this to start blocking websites, all you want to do is come across to the website that you want to block. So for example, if we come across to wikipedia.org, and once you're on the website you want to block, just right click onto a blank space of the website itself. On this menu that comes up, you're going to see the extension show up. It's going to say like block this domain or block this website. Give it a click, and once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to instantly block that website. So if I come back to Google, and what I'm going to do is type Wikipedia into here, and we're going to try and visit that website. So it's this top one, wikipedia.org. As you can see, every time we click onto it, it now says it has been blocked. So that is how to block websites on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.